Now let's go back to the project. So once I've finalized this configuration, I can go to the tasks. I have no tasks currently, so let me just import some new tasks and then pre-annotate them. So I'm just gonna okay, import. So we have different import options. One of the most popular one is JSON. I'm gonna just select this JSON file with a very simple structure and import all the tasks which are included into that file. Next, I can click Explore Tasks, and I see all the tasks added here. And you see this is data from some patient forums where they explain their experience with facing different diagnoses and different problems. Now, if I go to the task view and click on the pre-annotation button, you'll see that the current configuration is already deployed. You have an option to pre-annotate all the tasks or only the incomplete tasks or only the tasks from the current page. And you see here the resources which can be used to pre-annotate. Now, if I click pre-annotate, you'll see that we can easily manage all types of resources of different types of resources, models, rules, and prompts together and generate more data. So this is very useful, for instance, when you want to train a model for a very specific task, but you don't, you either don't have a model available, for instance, you don't find it on the NLP Models Hub, or you do find a model, but there are a couple of entities which are not covered by that particular model, and you'll need to add those entities and then tune the model to be able to cover those new entities, or you simply don't have any resource and then you want to speed up the work of your annotators and offer them some pre-annotations generated maybe by rules, because sometimes rules are good enough. Like, for instance, if you have if you want to extract medications and you have a list of drug names, or if you want to extract social security numbers or different chunks which respect certain regex patterns, right? If you cannot use rules and you don't have models, you can use prompts, even if those, by pre-annotating using prompts, will be a bit more expensive, but you can do it on a sample of data or on a sample of tasks, and then train a model so that you can do it faster at large scale, and you can do it for a lot of pages without incurring a lot of costs, as it is the case for large language models, which tend to be very expensive when used on large documents, and maybe less accurate and non-deterministic. So you see here results generated by rules, by models, and by prompts, and also classification done with prompts. Okay.